Hello everyone. Good morning to one and all. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Are you ready for our today's English class? Ready? Very good. Then tell me, where we stopped our last class? Yes, a beautiful fairy came to help the baby elephant. Now today we are going to see how the fairy helps the baby elephant. Okay? Are you ready? Now my dear students, all of you please listen. My dear students, look here. Our baby elephants and fairy meet together. The fairy asks the elephant, "Why are you crying, my dear friend? What help you need?" Suddenly, the elephant said that he does not like his appearance and he likes to be a bird. Now please listen. Tell me your wish. I can help you. The fairy smiled at the baby elephant. Dear fairy, please make me a bird. A cute little bird. The baby elephant said. Students, will the fairy make the baby elephant a bird? We don't know. Let's see. Okay. Children, look here. This is a picture of a fairy. Fairies are very beautiful. Fairies have magical powers. Fairies can fly high and touch the skies. They are messenger of God. They love children and also send gifts for them. They protect children from bad people. They are statue of truth and punish bad people. Children, have you ever seen before fairy? Let your wish come true. Be a bird. What happened here? Here, the fairy began to recite the mantra with her magic stick. So the elephant became a bird. The elephant became smaller and smaller. The two big ears turned into two small wings. The long trunk became a short beak. Colorful feathers appeared on his body. Okay, what happened to the four legs of the elephant? The elephant's legs may have turned into short legs with sharp claws like the feet of birds. What happened to his tail? The long tail may have become as small as a bird's tail. Will he be happy? Yes, our baby elephant is now happy and flying through the sky. Wow, look here. What a beautiful picture. This is a picture of a bird. Birds have two eyes, feet, feathers, wings, and a beak. They have colorful feathers like peacock and parrots, etc. Okay? Some birds can swim like duck, swans, and then, yes, penguin. Birds can fly in the sky. Okay? Look here. Our baby elephant became a bird and flying through the sky. Wow, I am a bird now. A beautiful bird. How small I am. I can fly high. I am happy now. What will the bird do now? Birds may fly long time in the sky. Will he fly to his friends? He may have visited to meet his friends to show his new look. Isn't it? Yes. What's happening here? Something is wrong. The little bird was flying in the sky. Suddenly, an eagle came to attack him. Oh, what's that? A big bird. It will attack me. I'm in trouble. Let me fly down and hide in that bush, he thought. See, students, while flying in the sky, he saw an eagle and he afraid of that eagle. Then he tries to escape from the eagle and tried to hide behind the bush. Okay. Will the little bird escape from the eagle? Let's see. It can escape in our next class. Okay? Now we go to our today's activity. Now my dear students, all of you please listen. Our today's first activity, activity 2 in our textbook. Picture description. Okay? What is the first question? An dash is a big animal. What can you see in this picture?
Elephant.
Elephant. So you have to write elephant in the first line. Okay. So our answer is an elephant is a big animal. Now tell me, what's the spelling of elephant?
Elepphant.
Elepphant. Elephant. Then next question. It has a long dash. What can you see in this picture?
Trunk.
Trunk. So you have to write there. It has a long trunk. What's the spelling?
Trunk.
Trunk. It has a long trunk, a big belly, a small dash. What can you see in this picture?
Tail.
Tail. Spelling?
Tail.
Tail. So you have to write there tail. Okay. And 4 fat dash. What is the fourth picture?
Legs.
Legs. Spelling?
Legs.
Legs. Legs. And 4 fat legs. So you have to write the legs. Okay. Then next. It has 2 small dash. What can you see in this picture?
Eyes.
Eyes. Spelling?
Eyes.
Eyes. So you have to write the eyes. So it has 2 small eyes. Okay. Then last one. It likes to eat dash. What is this? Tell me.
Palm leaves.
Palm leaves. Spelling?
Palmleaves.
Yes. Palmleaves. Palm leaves. So you have to write the palm leaves. It likes to eat palm leaves. Okay. Now my dear students, all of you please listen once again. An elephant is a big animal. It has a long trunk, a big belly, a small tail, and 4 fat legs. It has 2 small eyes. Then last, it likes to eat palm leaves. Okay? Then next activity. Listen here. This is the tiger in the story. See him talking about his abilities. Listen to him. Here the tiger talking about his ability. What tiger says? I am very strong. I can run fast. Okay. Now look at these animals. They are also talking about their abilities. What do they say? Here you should write what is the abilities of these animals. Okay, are you ready? What's the first one? Zebra. Then eagle, snake, and the last giraffe. Then tell me, what's the abilities of zebra? I will tell. Please listen. Zebra. First point, I am zebra. I am strong. I can run. I can jump. Okay, these are the abilities of zebra. Then second one, eagle. I am an eagle. I can fly. I have strong vision. Okay, then third one, snake. I am snake. I can bite. I am long. Then last one, giraffe. I am giraffe. I am tall. I can run fast. Okay. I hope everyone understood our today's class very well. All of you please do your activities very well and send to me. Now we go to wind up our today's class. We will meet again on next English class. Okay? Bye-bye.